you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be, I don't know what the title says. This is my everyday morning routine after I drop my private school kids off at school, and I come home and I usually spend around, I want to say about an hour and a half ish straightening up my house. Not deep cleaning, but straightening up my house so that I can function in it, because if I don't do this, my anxiety just gets the best of me. So I spend about a good hour and a half because I have other places that I have to be, like I have to drop Janelle off at work at 9:30, and I have to come back and then have school for Maddie at 9:45, and then after that she has speech, and then after speech I have to go to pickup, and then after pickup I gotta go run to the grocery store, right? It's a lot that goes on throughout my day. I'm rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy.
So I like to start with my surfaces. I feel like once the surfaces are clean and I can see progress, I can continue, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm the laziest person when it comes to cleaning. I do not like cleaning. So the least that my toddler's running around, I'm sorry, I can't concentrate. But I don't like to clean. I hate cleaning, but at the same time I don't like to live in a messy house, so I can't win. So once the surfaces are clean, I get more motivation to continue, and trust me, it takes forever and a day just to straighten up my house. Not deep clean, but to straighten it up.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without
We can talk about how children do not respect your things. Like, they spill stuff all over my cabinet and they never wipe them. They never wipe them down. They never wipe it off. But anyways, let's clean these appliances because they are gross.
You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. like the others. They do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love.
Bothering me right here. My OCD won't let me. Perfect.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we